students. In this segment of media education, we shall try to understand what is news and what are the news values. Humans are always curious to know what is going on around them. They always want to know the latest happenings. Newspapers, television news channels, radio stations, and internet quench this thirst of humans. By reading newspaper, watching news channels, and listening to the radio, we get to know the latest information about different things happening around us. This latest or current information about the incidents and events taking place around us is called news. Does it mean that people who lived in pre-mass media era were not interested in knowing things going around them? It will be wrong to say so. Here, it is important to understand that the concept of news has existed much before the era of mass media, although may not be in the same sense as we understand it today. We may find the trace of news in the primitive age, where people from different areas met during the weekly market and exchanged information about local happenings. What are news values? Every day we see and hear so many things happening around us: crime, accidents, social, political, and religious events, protests, sports, etc. But all of it does not become news. Then what is it that makes one piece of information news while the other goes unreported? These are news values that play a major role in making such decision. News values are general guidelines or criteria which determine how much prominence a media outlet gives to a news story. They explain why a story interests its audience and how editors and other journalists decide upon what information becomes news and what gets killed. Andrew Boyd describes news values as criteria that influence the selection and presentation of events as published news. Let us now take a look at some of the news values. First, timeliness. What is new becomes news. Any new information about an event is considered more newsworthy than what is already known. Timeliness indicates the newness or current nature of incidents. It demonstrates that event has just recently occurred. For example, an accident in which one person has died taken place today morning is more newsworthy than a similar accident that took place yesterday. Next news value, impact. The higher the impact of an event on the people, greater the newsworthiness. Impact as a news value is used to decide whether or not an event or story can become news based on the number of people affected by it. For example, dengue fever affecting the entire Delhi is more newsworthy than seasonal flu affecting a few people of a colony in East Delhi. The next news value is proximity. Shorter the distance between the location of the event and the target audience of the media outlet, higher the chance of that event to become news. If an event takes place near the target audience of the media outlet, then it becomes news. Taking into consideration the proximity between the location of the incident and the audience, reporters decide as to which event can become news and which cannot become news. For example, New Delhi edition of Times of India usually would not cover a day-to-day event of Bhopal. Here we need to understand that in some cases, proximity means emotional nearness rather than nearness in physical space. This extends the sphere of proximity from local to state and national level. For example, Neeraj Chopra winning a gold medal for India in Tokyo Olympics 2020 is a matter of pride for all Indians. Though Neeraj is from Haryana, the event received wide coverage all over the country because all of us are emotionally attached to our country. This is called emotional proximity. The next news value, conflict or controversy. More the controversial issue, more it stands chance to become news. Anything that is connected with conflict, argument, allegations and counter allegations, fights and tensions become news. For example, the fight for supremacy between two politicians is more newsworthy than their friendship. Next news value, prominence. People, issues or brands that have a large awareness and following by the general public are said to be prominent. Prominence has to do with broad-based knowledge of someone or something along with its power in a given scenario. Any event in which such people are involved is more likely to become news. For example, an ordinary person falling sick will not make a news, but the Prime Minister of a country falling sick will become breaking news. That's it for today. See you in the next episode with a new topic.